Adding lemon to your morning coffee may help you lose weight quicker. Many people are trying to drop some extra pounds, but it can be hard to know what types of drinks to consume in order to help shed those unwanted pounds. If you've been looking for an easy way to boost your metabolism and lose weight, try adding lemon to your morning coffee. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which aids digestion. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and potassium, which both aid in digestion, lower blood pressure, and may even help you to sleep better. Adding these nutrients to your morning cup of joe may give you the boost you need to start your day off on the right foot and help to jumpstart your weight loss journey. Lemon coffee and its benefits for weight loss. Losing weight is hard, and it can be even more difficult to know what types of drinks are best in order to help shed those unwanted pounds. Coffee is used because it contains caffeine, theobromine, and chlorogenic acid, all of which are proven to aid weight reduction. They help break down fat cells, which our bodies may then use as energy, allowing us to lose weight more effectively. Caffeine and chlorogenic acid both stimulate thermogenesis, which causes our bodies to produce heat and energy and burn more calories. Lemon, on the other hand, increases metabolism, flushes out toxins, promotes satiety, and helps us maintain a low-calorie intake. How to make lemon coffee. Coffee and lemon are the two key ingredients in this drink. Coffee and lemon are two of the most popular commodities in practically every kitchen, and both provide several health benefits, primarily due to their increased antioxidant content. Use instant coffee powder or black coffee brewed with coffee beans or coffee pods, but not decaffeinated coffee, in place of decaffeinated coffee. Coffee's caffeine content aids with weight loss. Let's make the weight loss drink. Take 1 teaspoon of coffee powder in a cup. Take 1 cup of hot black coffee if you're using coffee beans or coffee pods. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Next, make sure you use at least 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Fill the cup halfway with boiling water. With the help of a spoon, thoroughly combine all ingredients. Follow the same procedure. Within a week, you will see a noticeable change. Frequently asked questions about coffee lemon for weight loss. What exactly is this lemon coffee you're talking about? Lemon coffee is simply black coffee with the added ingredients of lemon juice, or an artificial form such as Crystal Light, and stevia. If you're looking for an easy way to boost your metabolism, try adding lemon to your morning coffee. What are the health benefits of drinking lemon coffee? Coffee, among the most widely consumed beverages, contains caffeine, which improves alertness and mood by speeding up metabolism, stimulating the central nervous system, and stimulating the central nervous system. Lemons, on the other hand, help you feel fuller for longer, boost satiety, and lower your daily calorie intake. Reminders: before trying out this drink, please make sure you do not have IBS, glaucoma, overactive bladder, heart conditions, like arrhythmias, pregnant, breastfeeding, sleep disorders. Also, we do not recommend drinking this on an empty stomach. Consult your doctor before trying out any weight loss drinks or diets. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts. We will make sure to make more coffee contents for you.